Cue the clock. Ever pondered how vast the universe is? It's estimated there are over 1 billion trillion stars out there. That's more stars than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. Mind-blowing, right? Switching gears. Did you know that the ancient Romans used a natural form of concrete in their architecture? They created it using volcanic ash, lime, and seawater. This blend was so durable, some of their structures, like the Colosseum, still stand today. And lastly, on the topic of sports, the fastest pitch ever recorded in Major League Baseball was by Aroldis Chapman at a whopping 105.1 miles per hour. Imagine trying to hit that. Time's up. There's a universe of knowledge out there, and every second brings a new discovery. Keep exploring, keep learning. Catch you in the next 60 seconds of mind-blowing facts. Pause for a moment. Now, imagine having a key to unlock the universe's deepest secrets, to tread paths untrodden, to explore the unexplored. That's the power you wield when you become a part of our community. If you're thrilled by the mind-blowing facts in the 60 seconds of awe, then you're in for a treat. We have a lot more where that came from. The Power Unleashed is your one-stop shop for knowledge that will make you question, explore, and learn. We're passionate about sharing our love for knowledge with you. So, what are you waiting for? Like this video, follow our channel and become a part of this quest for knowledge. Remember, every like, every follow brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Stay curious, stay amazed. Until the next 60 seconds of awe, keep unleashing your power.